How do you create a website that comes with its own video? How do you make a page with a high-end feel? After this video, you'll learn to add video to a page, use front-end motion to bring your site to life, and master a formula for high-end web design. Building a high-end website follows one formula: where to find great aesthetics, plus where to build them once you've found them. For most people, it's hard to clearly describe the effect you want, and even if you can, it's tough to write it out as a prompt. So what we regular folks need to do is find places with high-end aesthetics that match your vision and then make adjustments. Once you've found these aesthetics, the next step is to find a place that can replicate them for you. First step, where do you find references? I recommend these websites. Most are free. You can find their design specs, specific element effects, or even the code for any site. Then you can copy the prompts for the styles you like. Once you have the prompt, it's like you own the entire design system and aesthetic of the website. Let's take Motion Sites as an example. Copy its prompt in advance. Just click copy. We'll use it in a bit. Now that we've solved the problem of where to find aesthetics, we need to go somewhere to actually build the website. You can use Gemini, Claude, Codex, any AI coding tool. I'd suggest using Kimi directly. I've tested them before and they're very strong with front-end and aesthetic sites. Plus, it's directly accessible in China. Go to Kimi's homepage, click website on the left, paste the prompt from earlier, then type help me replicate this website and click start. This time, Kimi has upgraded to the 2.6 model. It directly supports the following front-end effects and can even output video directly within the site. Now, let's take a look at the result after entering the prompt, how it replicated the website. Next, it's time to add your own video. I'd recommend two ways. The first is using an image. Many of the videos we see aren't just random, they actually require high quality images to be converted into video. So our approach is to find an image you like first. You can use AI to generate one, then put it in, upload it to the chat box, and tell it to convert the uploaded image into a looping video. You can also add this bit of prompt to enhance it further. Just like that, you've created a website with its own video in under a minute. The second way is to specify a video. Suppose you have a specific video you want to use. All we need to do now is upload it. Keep it under 15 seconds and not too large, as it will be looping. Or you can just copy and paste the video link, then enter a prompt to help replace the homepage with my uploaded video and play it on a loop. This method is very practical because some videos are unique to you. It's perfect for personal websites or business sites, and the results are great. So now you have a website framework that matches your aesthetic. Let's take it a step further and make it truly yours through adjustments. You can tell Kimi directly in the input box about the text and details you need to adjust. This time, Kimi 2.6 has improved its instruction understanding. Since the model was just released, they haven't added the local editing feature yet, but I expect it in a few weeks. So what you can do now is take a screenshot, draw a box, describe it, and upload the image directly. Then tell it what you want to change, like moving this part up or adding more white space. It can understand all of that. Besides the front end, I should also mention that Kimi can now directly generate user databases and backends. It has full stack capabilities. If I want to build a website and collect user information, I can now complete the database, login and verification all within Kimi and then start collecting data. While most vibe coding tools are still competing on front-end effects, this is like an exploration and expansion of back-end capabilities. Alright, that's it for today's video. I'm really looking forward to seeing the cool website visuals you create. Please share them in the comments section for me to see. I've made the barrier to entry for this tutorial very low, so I'm really excited. If there are any other AI reviews you'd like to see, feel free to let me know. If you have any questions, see you in the comments.